Hi, I'm A, Thai herbalist. Have you ever tried butterfly pea flower tea with lime juice before? It has a lot of benefits. Let's check it out. Today I dropped by at a restaurant called Story Cup at Khao Kor, Thailand. As I need to sit in front of my computer several hours per day, and I noticed that I have poor eyesight, so I need a glass of herbal drink to improve eyesight. So let's see what I will order today. I like the atmosphere of this restaurant as it has a nice ambience, and the weather today is quite cool. The temperature is around 25 degrees Celsius. And it also rained, so it is quite humid and cool. What you see here is the traditional water wheel, which I like a lot. Do you know that if you are suffering from low energy or brain power, or feeling stressed, or can't sleep, or do you have poor eyesight, or losing your hair, or is your skin losing collagen, butterfly pea is known to help. This is the butterfly pea flower tea with lime juice that I ordered. I really like its purple color, and it tastes really nice and refreshing. If you have never seen this kind of flower before, or you don't have it in your country, I just want to give you a bit of information that the butterfly pea is an amazing brain-boosting herb native to Asia, and you can find this plant grown throughout Thailand. You may recognize it by its striking, vibrant blue flowers. In Southeast Asia, butterfly pea is used as a natural food coloring. In Thai cooking, butterfly pea flowers are squeezed for their blue extract, which is then mixed with coconut milk and other base ingredients to naturally color Thai dessert in blue and purple. Three main benefits of butterfly pea are: number one, it can improve eyesight, so it can increase blood flow to your eyes, and it is useful in treatment of blurred vision or tired eyes. It can also improve the hair growth because it can promote hair growth and reduce graying of the hair as well. And lastly, it can improve skin because butterfly pea can stimulate collagen and elastin synthesis, which helps rejuvenate the skin and lessen wrinkles and other signs of aging. It is very useful and very healthy, right? If you want to make tea from butterfly pea flowers at home, you just simply steep 5 to 10 flowers, fresh or dried, in a cup of hot water for around 10 to 15 minutes. And when there is no color left in the petal, strain the liquid and discard the flowers. You will be left with an amazing blue color water. You can drink it together with lime juice. It can create a sweet and sour flavor, and it will turn the blue tea into a purple color, which is really nice and beautiful. In addition to using butterfly pea flower to brew a delicious herbal tea, you can use it to make other drinks such as latte, lemonades, and color-changing cocktails. Here you will see that if you squeeze a slice of lime into the butterfly pea flower tea, it will turn purple like this. If you want to make a butterfly pea tea latte, it's pretty easy to make it at home. All you need is some butterfly pea flowers and your milk of choice, and you also want a sweetener like honey if you want it to be sweet. You will do the same process as butterfly pea flower tea. The first thing you need to do is just steep around 5 to 10 flowers for around 10 to 15 minutes, and then you can strain the liquid and discard the flowers. Meanwhile, steam the milk and then pour pour the tea into a mug or glass, pour the milk on top. And the last thing you need to do is just drizzle honey or whatever sweetener you choose on top. 1 teaspoon of honey should be enough. So now your butterfly pea tea latte is ready to serve. So now let's get back to my lunch. If you wonder what I ordered today, I ordered the dish which is called Kua Kring in Thai. And Kua Kring in Thai is southern stir-fried pork with yellow curry paste. It is a well-known dish in southern Thailand. It is a perfect match to eat together with the butterfly pea flower tea today. Let's eat together. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned and see you again next time. Bye.